Myflowsoft ERP for manufacturing. A smart system to control every movement across your factory. In manufacturing, thousands of stock movements happen daily between warehouse, production, and dispatch. Without real-time control, this causes inventory leakage, delays, and unplanned shortages. Myflowsoft brings everything together. One live system for inventory, production, procurement, dispatch. Every machine, every order, every department, one ERP. Before Myflowsoft, stock leakage and urgent purchases kept rising. After Myflowsoft, real-time control reduces leakage trends consistently. Every stock movement is tracked in real time. From raw materials to work in progress, finished goods, and dispatch. Warehouse transfers and production issues are fully tracked. Complete audit trails and live stock ledger updates keep you informed. Myflowsoft converts demand into action with MPS and MRP. It shows shortages and links directly to procurement. So production never stops due to missing materials. Bomb-driven planning, warehouse and bin tracking, real-time visibility. MRP-based procurement, audit-ready compliance, integrated e-way bill system. Myflowsoft ERP control every movement. Protect every rupee. For more details, log on to myflowsoft.com.